Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I make these amazing air fryer honey garlic wings with no oil, no butter, just straight up in the air fryer and just delicious crispy goodness. First, you already know I'm going to wash my wings. I always do that. If you don't wash your wings, you can skip this step, but I gotta wash my food. I wash everything, y'all. So I use vinegar and lime juice this time to wash it really well. And I just let it soak for like 5-10 minutes, and then I rinse it off, and that's that. Simple and easy. This step is a couple minutes, you know. So now I'm going to season the wings with my seasoning, Spicy Girl. If you want this spice, you could click the link below in my description box and purchase yours. And I'm also going to use some salt because Spicy Girl is super low in sodium. So my air fryer is currently preheating. And this is baking powder. I'm going to use a tablespoon of baking powder all over the wings just like this. It's not going to ruin the flavor. It's not going to do anything but make your wings crispy. That's it. Alright, so the air fryer is ready. I love this air fryer so much, you guys. Oh my god, I've been obsessed since I got this air fryer. So I'm going to use this coconut spray, and I'm just going to spray. The air fryer is non-stick, but again, I'm new to the air fryer game, and I just want to make sure nothing actually sticks. So I'm going to spray it a little bit in the bottom. I'm going to put my wings down in here upside down. Because I want the end presentation to be on top, so that's why I'm putting this side down to cook first. And I'm gonna put all 6 wings down in here. I'm not making a lot of wings, it's just for me and my husband. So I'm gonna put them in there just like this, and that's it. And oh yeah, I'm gonna spray it a little bit with the coconut oil, just a little bit. Just like I said, I'm new to the air fryer game, and I just want my food to come out right. So I'm going to cook this on 360 for about 12 minutes, and then I'm going to see where we're at. So this is what it looks like after 12 minutes, and now I'm just going to flip them. Alright, once I flip them all over, I'm going to put it back on 380 for 15 minutes because, you know, this is the final cook. You want to get them nice and crispy. These are the ingredients for the sauce. I have jalapeno paste, garlic, honey, and salt. You want to add your honey to the pot just like this. We're going to heat it up on the stove. Next, I'm going to add the garlic, and then I'm also going to add the jalapeno paste and some salt. Also, you guys, don't forget, if you want this exact air fryer, you could click the link below in my description box if you want to purchase it. And yeah, I'm telling you, it's worth it. I love this air fryer so much, and it's nice and big. I got the 5-quart, so it's perfect for me. Again, you know, it's just me and my hubby, so it's all good. This is what it looks like once you heat it up on the stove for about 3 or 4 minutes, just to bring it to a boil so the garlic can actually cook. And you want to put it to the side so it can cool. Y'all, look at these wings after 15 minutes on 380. I cannot. I'm about to let you guys hear how crispy these wings actually are. So now I'm just going to take the honey garlic sauce and pour it all over the wings. Like, you want to pour it everywhere. Pour it all over the wings, and you're going to toss them, and that's pretty much it. To be honest, y'all, if this wasn't a honey garlic recipe video, I would have ate these wings just as they came out because they were so delicious and crispy. It was ridiculous. So these are what they look like, you guys, nice and plated up. And we're just going to have this with salad. That's it. Didn't really make any other sides, just kept it simple. And that's all we're going to have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was so easy to make, and I'm impressed, y'all. I'm finally in the air fryer game, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye, you guys.